Hi, welcome to our next video on post-graduation after BE BTech in Mechanical Engineering and Technical Field. Before that, we will see where can you do your post-graduation. We will start with India and divide institutes in three categories. Tier 1 colleges are IISc and IITs. Tier 2 colleges are NITs and Tier 3 is state universities. For admission in Tier 1 and Tier 2 colleges, you have to appear for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering GATE. Tier 3 colleges take admission based on separate entrance test or valid GATE score. Admission criteria are specific to universities. Based on students' preference, we will categorize Tier 1 and Tier 2 colleges in three layers: IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Madras, Kanpur and Kharagpur in top layer; IIT Roorkee, Guwahati, Varanasi and IISm Dhanbad, NIT Trichy, Surathkal, Warangal, Allahabad and Calicut in mid-layer institute, and then the rest of the IITs and NITs in last layer. Now here is the question, which stream to choose? Post-graduation in core mechanical engineering field is diversified in three major branches. Design majorly focuses on structures, kinematics, dynamics, finite element methods, etc. This is also most preferred choice among students. Thermal and fluids majorly deals with thermodynamics, heat transfer, computational fluid dynamics, etc. It is next preferred choice among students. Manufacturing deals with manufacturing process, material science, production, etc. This is mostly last preferred choice among students. There are many other departments which offer interdisciplinary courses in which students of any discipline with valid GATE score can apply. Some popular choices are Aerospace. It is similar to mechanical engineering with some specialized subjects. There are some subjects related to electronics and controls. Next is Industrial Engineering. Some IITs offer it as a separate course. National Institute of Industrial Engineering offers best program in industrial engineering. There are some other popular courses like energy science, metallurgy, bioscience, system and controls, etc. There are also some government organizations which offer sponsored MTech program through GATE. Some of them are BARC, IGCAR and CSIR. Please remember, if you take admission based on GATE score in any of the college, you will get stipend of around 12,000 per month from Indian Government Ministry of Human Resource Department. For detailed description and programs offered, you can visit the individual college site. To study abroad, students mostly prefer to go to USA or Germany for pursuing masters in mechanical engineering. For USA, you have to appear for Graduate Record Examination (GRE) as aptitude test and TOEFL or IELTS as English proficiency test. Some top university in USA are MIT, Stanford, University of California, Berkeley, etc. For Germany, you only need TOEFL or IELTS as English proficiency test. Some courses also need basic knowledge of German language. Some top university of Germany are Technical University of Munich, Technical University of Stuttgart, RWTH Aachen. Admission criteria are specific to universities. For more details, you can follow the below link. For USA, for Germany. Some students also prefer to go to Singapore, which has two major universities, National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technological University. For admission criteria in these universities, you can follow the below link. Hope you like the information. Stay tuned for next video on non-technical job opportunities after engineering. Thanks for watching.